Hello, this is Bruce Clapp, and I'm the president of MarketMatch, where we help our clients strategically grow their organizations through focus, momentum, and results. And this is the next installment of the MarketMatch 60-second strategy. And today I want to share with you the 3 E's, the recipe for success for myself, for my firm, and for you starting tomorrow. The 3 E's are built for simplicity and built for something that can be executed time and time again with sustainability and longevity. The first one is energy, the energy of what it takes to do the little things, the big things, and everything in between. Get up every single day, attack the day, and accelerate into the change and accelerate into the curve. The second E is effort. It's the amount of effort that the energy creates that helps you to put forth and to tackle those things and then accomplish all the things that you need to do. So the other part of effort is the execution. It's making sure that you're doing the things necessary to get the results that you're looking for. And the last E is engagement. The engagement is in making sure all those around you, the ones that work with you and for you, and the ones that don't even know you yet, are ones that are actively working to help you and to help clear that path. The engagement gets everybody excited, everybody on board, everyone focused in the right direction, and to use a common term, everyone rowing the boat in the same direction. That's how you move forward. So you have energy, you have effort / execution, you have engagement. This recipe for success is built around ease, and it's something that is going to be successful for you. I know it is because it works for me, it works for MarketMatch, and it works for our clients, and it's going to help you accelerate into the changes and accelerate into the opportunity that 2023 brings. Learn more at MarketMatch.com and have a great day, and follow the E, the simple recipe for success.